Welcome back. Now, one of the ways that PowerPoint gives you in order to organize your presentation is to place sections between different groupings of slides. So, for example, if we were to look at the presentation that's before you, we can right-click inside of this panel, and you'll notice that there is a link there that says Add a Section, and we can click that link. And if you'll notice here now that we have a section now that's called Untitled Section, we're going to give that section a name. And then, of course, all we'll need to do is to click the Rename button. What we can then do is we can go to the next section that we want to set apart. We can right-click there, and we can add in another section. And we can basically do this within groupings of slides however we choose. Once we have different grouping of slides, this will become evident when we use the slide sorter view. So if we go down to the bottom of the ribbon and we click the slide sorter view, you're going to see that our slideshow is now organized into different sections. We can collapse these sections. And then we can move them up or down within the presentation. And then if we go back to the normal view, you'll notice that our slideshow is now organized differently. When we add in a slide, one of the things that we can do is we can add in a section header. That's different from the title slide. So for example, if we place in a section header and we place it in the top, we'll then be able to differentiate this from our title slide. So one of the ways that you can keep your presentation organized is to use the section feature. And if for some reason we don't like the sections that we created, we can go to this link. We can then click Remove All Sections. And then our presentation goes back to the way it was. However, you'll want to note that it will be in the order at which you have last placed it. So even though this is not the original order, this is the order before we removed all of the sections. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.